So today we're going to talk about how to use a Gua Sha. So this is an Eastern beauty tool that's really great for helping with fine lines, improving the texture and elasticity on the face. So I'm just adding some produce serum to my face because it's best to work it in when your skin is moisturized and you have serum. And rubbing it in now, and that's when I realized a zit on my forehead that I didn't know was there, but hey, it happens. I'm also going to add some serum to my neck because I'm going to be working the Gua Sha on my neck because our neck does show signs of aging. So I'm just making sure my skin is moisturized, and then using a kind called the bumpy side of the Gua Sha, I'm working up the side of my neck. So the techniques I'm using here are mainly for face massage and some for lymphatic drainage. But this is really help depuff the face and relax the muscles. So I definitely have a lot of tension around my neck. And I'm using that smoother side there to go up the center of my neck. Now you'll notice my skin looks really red where I went over the Gua Sha. That's just how with the lighting, how this video was edited, it looks really red. But I did press a little hard, so definitely you'll have to press very hard to get the benefits of a Gua Sha massage. So whenever I reach the top of my neck or anywhere, I kind of rub it into that point to help soften that muscle. And again, using that side, the bumpy side, I'm going along the jawline. So I hold a lot of tension in my jaw. So right when I reach towards my ear, I'm massaging a bit to help loosen that muscle. And this is also helping with lymphatic drainage, help draining out those toxins and helping depuff the face. So I just repeat the same process on the other side, following the jawline right there. Now using the smooth side, I'm just going under the jawline to help it smooth out and then just help ease that tension that I definitely clench my jaw whenever I'm stressed or just kind of throughout the day. Now using the bumpy side, I'm going underneath the cheekbone. So I'm finding the cheekbone with it and then going up towards the top of the ear and then massaging it there. This is really gonna help with lifting the face, with skin elasticity. It will help with blood flow. So the reason why my skin does get really red and pink is because the blood is coming to the surface of the skin, and this helps with circulation and bringing more nutrients to the skin's surface. Now using one of the more smoother sides, I'm just kind of generally going over the cheek, jaw area to help smooth that out and then again help with that lymphatic drainage. And of course, I always have to sneeze during videos, but whenever you use a Gua Sha, it's actually to get your sinuses moving. So that was bound to happen. Now I'm using the bumpy side. I'm kind of going on top of the cheekbone there. I'm following that so you kind of get it right in that groove. And I'm following that and going towards the outer part of my face and massaging it right there at the top. Another place where we hold a lot of tension is our temple area. Now with the smaller side of the Gua Sha, I'm gently going underneath the under eyes. This is going to help with depuffing, help with brightening under eyes, and help with skin elasticity. So this will help with those crow's feet and those fine lines. Using the bumpy side, going up the nose and hitting right between the eyebrows. This felt so good. I made this clip really short, but I did this for a while. I definitely kind of frown a bit whenever I'm looking at screens or I hold the tension between my eyebrows. This just kind of helped to smooth it out. And it felt really good on the face. And this will help with wrinkles and fine lines that are appearing right there. So I'm using the the smooth side and going up towards my hairline. And then I'm using the bumpy side going along the brow bone, just to kind of help smooth that skin out and bring some circulation to that area. And it feels amazing. Using the smooth side, going on the other sides of my forehead around the brow area. So kind of giving myself a little mini brow lift right there. And again, this is just helping also with bringing nutrients to the skin, get the blood flow going, and this will help kind of bring a new life to your skin. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about how to use Gua Sha, just let us know.